So itching is one of the most distressing and troublesome issues in any scar, and more so in a post-burn scar. So let us see why there is itching in post-burn scars. Itching is a combination of physiological and pathological factors. So firstly, there is nerve regeneration and hypersensitivity. So after a burn injury, the nerve endings in the dermis are often destroyed and damaged. And during healing, what happens is that there is regeneration of these peripheral nerves. And these peripheral nerves become hyperactive or become aberrantly connected. And this hypersensitivity can lead to pruritus. Probably the more important reason for this is histamine release. In inflammatory phase of wound healing, the mast cells release histamine. Histamine directly stimulates the nerve endings, leading to pruritus. And even after a long time after healing, scars can have increased mast cell activity, which leads to itching. So even old scars tend to itch. Then the hypertrophic scars or the keloids, which are caused by excessive collagen deposition, have thicker and irregular fibers. These can mechanically irritate the nerve endings, leading to pruritus. Burn scars often lack sweat and the sebaceous units, which can lead to excessively dry skin, and this dry skin contributes to irritation and pruritus. It is also postulated that there is altered sensory feedback in these scars, especially the scars which are stiff and lack the normal elastic properties of the skin. So this scar tissue can disrupt the mechanoreceptors and it can cause itching. Another reason which is postulated is that the stress, anxiety, and other psychological triggers which are associated with burn injuries can also exacerbate the perception of itching. So these are the multiple reasons why there is itching in the post-burn scars. So considering these reasons, we can address these reasons and manage burn scars itching in a much more effective manner.